Hi everybody, my name is Sean, and in this video I am going to make a product review of the universal car seat cover that I bought from Lazada. So if you're also someone who is looking for a car seat cover and if you want to know more details about this product, then please keep on watching. Hi and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, by the way, my name is Sean Dela Cruz and I am a Bisaya vlogger from Iligan City. And to all the members of the Toyota Rush Club Philippines, most especially those who are in Mindanao or specifically sa mga taga Iligan. So again, I am a Bisaya vlogger from Iligan City, and today, so I actually bought this car seat cover from Lazada. So later on, I'm also going to show you the shop and the details if you also want to order these car seat cover. And I was actually looking for an upholstery shop because I wanted to like have it leather covered. But then, since pandemic ngayon, so I wanted to look for ways kung saan ako makakasave. So, luckily, online, I found this shop in which they also offered these products for like a very low price. So, later on also, I'm going to tell you the exact amount of money that I was able to pay, including shipping fee. And you know what, guys, I'm also very excited to do this one because this is going to be the very first time that I'm going to put seat covers on my car, and I'm gonna give you a quick tour inside so that you can see the current condition of my car and the very main reason why I wanted to like put seat covers na talaga. So come on. Right now we are here inside my car. So by the way, guys, my car is a Toyota Rush 1.5G variant. And if you guys want to know the story on how I got my car at the age of 23, I'm also going to put that here in this video. So this is the thumbnail of the video that I made when I shared how I got my car at the age of 23. Well, anyways, let me give you a quick tour talaga. And this is the condition of my back seat. So these are my main problems. So currently I have like some stains here. Oh my gosh, that's so dirty. Some of my passengers sa loob kumakain, and also I have my pamangkin, so are very kulit. So sometimes they make those like, you know, mga kalat inside the car. So now we're finally going to put the seat covers na. And you know what, I'm actually not 100% sure if what I'm going to do is correct, but I hope that you're going to join me as we like, you know, explore it together. If this is also your first time, I hope this video is going to help you out in putting on your seat covers as well. So let's go. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you the 8-piece cover seat that I bought. So the color that I chose is the black and beige because I think it perfectly matches the color, the interior design of the Toyota Rush. So we have 5 headrests, and then as you can see, all of these are garterized, so it's something like that. And we also have this one for the back seat. So now I'm gonna give you a closer look of the actual seat cover. So on this side, as you can see, it's kind of a see-through. And then this one, this is colored black and then beige. And then on the other side, we see, I actually don't know what you call these fabric right here, but I think it's like kind of foamy. And for me, the foam feature of this product is a very good thing because at least we don't have the cloth alone. So I think that's a very good feature of this product. So we also have, this is going to be for the front seat, and another one for the front seat and for the back seat as well. So now let's start putting on these. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to remove our headrests. So if your car has this feature, you just have to like press the button so that we can have full access to our front seats. Okay, and then we're just going to put it aside. Okay, so right now we're going to cover the driver's seat. So you wouldn't want to do this the wrong way, so you have to make sure that you're putting it in the right place. So it's as easy as this one. It's like you are putting on your own shirts. So it's like this. Okay, so in this part, it's just a series of inserting the seat cover. Like say for example, dito sa center. Okay, so again, you just have to make sure that everything is under it. So since it's also garterized naman, again, it automatically, you know, tightens itself. But say for example, in this one, we are having a hard time since we can't just like connect the loop dun sa baba. So what we're going to do is to simply insert it at the lower portion of the seats para mag-lock sila. You just have to like insert it kung saan mo siya pwedeng i-insert so that you can hide it. Para its final look is going to be really clean because that's what we want for our cars, right? I think that's good. Okay, so right now we're going to insert the headrest covers. So since it's garterized, it's going to adjust automatically to according to the shape of your headrest. So you just have to make some more adjustments, something like that. And I think that's a perfect fit. And I think this is going to be one of the most satisfying parts. Does it look good? Oh my gosh! Okay, so guys, you don't have to worry because the same thing will go to the front seats. This is what makes it look perfect. Does it look nice? Alright, parang ang mahal, no? Okay, it looks expensive. Alright, so now let's proceed with the back seat. Okay guys, so for the back seat naman, we have two separate seat covers. So one is for the upuan on this side and the other one is for the back. I think ito for the back. Okay guys, so ito papakita ko sa inyo. As you can see right here, we have a little problem. As you can see, hindi pa siya umaabot dito, but we can solve that by doing this. So since we have the loops right here, you have to insert the loops. Don't worry about the crumpled state niya. Don't worry, we can fix that one. You just have to insert the loops. And then, and by the way, another tip, if you're going to put seat covers, don't wear something like this. I'm just wearing something like this kasi for vlogging purposes. Okay, we just have to like pull the loops para mag-tighten yung natin seat covers. And ito na siya. Okay, so it's just a series of perfecting the fit. So it's up to you guys how you're going to do it. On this part, medyo nakaka-OC because we have this thing right here, but I think that will be good. That's actually fine. So as long as it looks like this, you're all good to go. So now let's proceed with this part. Oh, okay, that's better. You know what? Actually, in some videos, I have seen that they are actually removing this one. At saka yung sa upuan talaga, they're removing it so that they can have a better, placement of the seat covers. But for this one, I think this will do us good na. Medyo mahirap nga lang, but I think it's fine. Okay guys, by the way, I forgot to mention that it comes with a lot of hooks right here. So this is what we're going to do so that we can lock it. So we have a loop right here. So that's where we're going to put the first hook. And on the side, we have another one. So we just have to connect both para nakalock na siya. So I think that's better na. Oh my gosh, so guys, ayan na nga, we're finally done putting on our seat covers and I'm just so excited to let you guys see what's inside my car right now. So let's go! Alright, so yun na nga guys, take a look at my brand new seat covers. Okay, you know what? Lakas makasosyal yung color talaga. So again, the very main reason why I chose beige is because it perfectly matches the interior of the Toyota Rush. So as you can see, beige din yung kulay niya. So I think that's really perfect. So now, let's talk about the shop na binilhan ko ng seat covers na. So I'm just gonna put you right there so that you can have, a clearer view of my seat covers. Okay, so you know what? This only costs 595 pesos only, plus the 186 shipping fee that's from, I think, Manila to here in Iligan City, Mindanao. So kung mas malapit ka sa Manila, so most probably you're going to pay a lower price than what I paid. So, and by the way guys, the shop na binilhan ko nito is this one. So if you can clearly see that, I'm just going to tag them in the description of this video. So again, I am like super satisfied with my seat covers because you know you can actually hand wash this or machine wash this one. So if it gets dirty, you can just remove it and then you can just easily reinstall it. So you know, ikaw nang bahala. So again, I'm just very happy with this new seat covers. Aesthetically pleasing. If you're going to take a look at it, ang social lang talagang tignan, and you can expect that you just paid 595 plus the shipping fee for this one. So I think this is like a very big saver, money saver, at the same time lifesaver for me, because since pandemic ngayon, I don't want to spend a lot of money. So this is like a very great buy talaga. So to all of my Karashis out there, to all owners of Toyota Rush, guys, I'm telling you, these car seat covers will perfectly, you know, match our interior. At the same time, it perfectly fits in our car. So again, I am going to give this seat cover like siguro 9 out of 10. So that's a very good review coming from me. So again, thank you very much for the seller. By the way, dumating siya sa akin, I think mga around 2 to 3 weeks, and then when it arrived, unfortunately I was not able to like show you the real package, but it arrived in good condition, so no problem with that one. So I think that's going to be the end of my vlog. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna show you here. Right, like so nice. I can sleep here all day. So you know what, I think this is also going to like make my vlogs even better because I have like a very beautiful seat cover. So I think I'm just gonna end this vlog right here, and I hope that you guys did enjoy watching this video. So by the way guys, if you would like to see more of my videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button right there, and you can also click the notification bell so that you will know my next uploads. So you know what, the videos that I make are basically anything that happens in my life. So I hope that you did enjoy this product review as well, and I hope that you're also going to watch my other videos. So I think this is going to be the end of this one. Thank you very much for watching and installing my car seat covers with me. So this has been your Bisaya vlogger for today, Dela Cruz, saying thank you very much, and in everything that we do, may God be praised.